Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have signed into Prime Video on multiple devices, managing them helps you secure your account, remove unused devices and stay within streaming limits. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to manage registered devices on Prime Video in 2026, simple and secure. Okay, so first thing, device management is done via your Amazon account. It works best on your web browser and it changes apply instantly. Okay, so managing devices equals better control plus security. So first thing, open account settings, like go to Prime Video web. Okay, go try to open your account on web, it's recommended. Click profile. Okay, go to settings, access your account dashboard. So go to your devices. Okay, select your devices tab. So you have many options, you have to find the devices option. You will see all registered devices. Okay, view device list, phones, tablets, TVs, browsers, device names and types. It helps identify unfamiliar devices. Okay, so deregister a device, like click deregister next to a device now, or when you do that, device is removed instantly. Confirm removal, like device will be locked out, must sign in again to use it. Okay, so it's useful for security. Repeat if needed, so remove unused or suspicious devices, keep only active ones. Okay, so secure your accounts. This is optional, so change password, enable two-factor authentication. Okay, extra protection recommended. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.